Where's my pen? I can't find anything in this backpack. It's always like this. You know what? I guess it's time to make or to create, a new organizer. Small and handy to fit easily into a backpack. I want a new organizer. It worked! Oh, it's handy. It fits easily. How I did it, I will show and tell you. So, subscribe faster. So, for the organizer, we need colored paper, colored cardboard, scissors, faces of heroes, or felt tip pen. And don't forget about double-sided tape. Cut out of paper, 5.9 and 6.2 inches shapes. We twist the cylinder and glue it. Now, by the size of the cylinder, we determine the size of a strip thicker paper. Strip width in 0.5 inches. Glue the resulting cardboard ring onto the same cardboard base. Cut off the excess. The result is an organizer cover. Almost the last step is to glue the cylinder to the same cardboard base and cut off the excess. Last steps, we just have to stick our heroes' faces on it and the organizer is ready. Oh well, it turned out great. Now it will always be easy to find pens, pencils, felt tip pens in a backpack. I'm just gonna demonstrate to you right away. Well, what other organizers can be made from colored paper? You can check on our channel. We already have a whole collection. So subscribe to Jolly Battle. Let's be friends on social networks. And until next time. What if you fill the organizer with sweets?